guys, what's up? It's me. So today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup look. This is basically what I do to go to school and like on the weekends if I'm not really doing anything. So let's get started. Ew. Frick! Forgot to put on primer. So I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. Blemish Control primer, and probably use like a decent amount, like that much, and just put that all over your face. Yeah, this kind of smells weird. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm going to put that everywhere I need it. I'm basically just filming this and doing my makeup because I'm procrastinating doing my homework. Yeah, I have like 5 math homeworks that I need to do. I mean, I don't need to do them, but I just like have this gut feeling that my math teacher is going to check homework tomorrow for some reason. I don't know why. I hope she doesn't. But she hasn't checked them in a while, so I'm gonna have to do them, I guess. Also, I have a project to start that's due tomorrow. An essay to write that's probably due today, but no one really knows. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Revlon Color Stay pressed powder in the color. What color is this? Bruh. Oh, the color Light Medium. And I'm just going to put that everywhere. It's kind of like weird to be talking to the camera and like explaining what I'm doing for my makeup because I'm so used to just like doing it with music on, and now I can't even listen to music while I do it because I'm not trying to get copyrighted or anything. Yeah, so now I'm taking my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow and putting that on my face. I have to sneeze. And you want to make sure that you put that on your jawline too, because you can blend it down your neck and your face won't look as pale as mine. Okay, So I'm going to contour my nose with this Maybelline Master Contour Kit. And I have like 5 different bronzers, but none of them are matte. And so I kind of like this one for the bronzer. And I use a brush that looks like this. And I just go on the sides of my nose. I only just like started contouring my nose because I've been watching like a lot of Carly Bible videos, and like she does it every single time, and I was like, oh, I should be doing it like that too because I have a big nose. So okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and then I'll come back. Alright, so now I'm gonna put some blush on my face, and as always I'm using my Colourpop Knockout Kit, and I'm using the blush in that. Oh, that's too much. Okay. Now what do I do? Oh. So now I'm gonna put on some highlighter, and I haven't really, like, I don't have like a set highlighter that I like really like my go-to highlighter, but I got this sample at Ulta, and it's like the Becca highlighter, and I use the it's the Shimmering Skin Protector Poured Cream Highlighter in Opal, which is like that one, and I use that to highlight because I really like it, but I don't really want to spend the money and get it. But once this, once it runs out, I'll probably end up getting it anyway. So I'm just going to take my finger and just put that on my cheekbones. I really like this one because it looks just like really natural. I mean, not natural, but like it looks like, gives you kind of like that dewy look, and it's like not so blinding, that because I only have like powder highlighters, and they're like, I mean, not blinding, but so I put it there, and then I also use it on my nose, like on the bridge of my nose, and then on the tip. And normally I'd use a brush for this, but I kind of don't feel like it. And then I use it on my brow bone too. And then in the same like thing, I'll take the pressed highlighter with like my pinky finger and just put that in the corner of my eye. Yeah, so after you do that, you're going to want to put on some mascara, and I use my L'Oreal mascara, and you kind of want to put a lot on, like I normally do. I was just looking at like old videos and like pictures of myself, and I literally found one from like my 6th grade talent show when I tried to do my makeup, and I did like blue, like bright blue eyeshadow and bright red lipstick, and it's so horrifying. And my my face was like orange too. Like I'm pretty sure I used like one of those like huge like Ulta kits and just like put every single thing that was in there on my face. Like it was crazy. And if you get mascara all over your eyelid like I always do, just keep Q-tips handy because you can just swipe it off. And that's basically it. Crystal setting spray. And yeah, now you're done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave a comment down below of what you would like me to do, any suggestions for another video, and yeah.